This is 2017 Ford F-150 SuperCab XL, gray, over gray interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, automatic transmission, trailer brake controls, USB for your phone, air conditioning. There's a look at the rear seat with the seat in the up position, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 2.7 liter Ecobosst engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.